something precious from the ancient world, a 10,000-year-old relic, has persisted, its secrets intact, on an island in the Far East. Urushi. This elixir, produced by natural processes, has been applied to cherished objects since before recorded history. Objects treated with urushi acquire extraordinary quality through the beauty and strength of nature. Deep in the mountains, I met an old man. The old man collected the sap, which could be called the blood, from a urushi tree that he had nurtured for 10 years, as if it were his own child. He ratcheted the tree with a sharpened blade and received, drop by drop, its precious life. In the natural ancient cycle, the tree soon dies. It returns to the earth, and so a new decade begins. Kintsugi. Kintsugi is the art of urushi. Broken vessels are mended with urushi and decorated with gold. The vessel, infused with the life of the urushi, returns to us with a new and intensified beauty. An old kitchen bowl was found under the porch of a Zen temple, though the original vessel was quite ordinary. Through the application of gold-plating kintsugi, the humble vessel became one of the temple's most cherished treasures. It was not merely the application of gold that affected this change, but also the deep motivation to restore and transform. Kintsugi was born in the culture of the tea ceremony and has been nurtured and refined for over 500 years. The ancient tea masters found beauty in brokenness and learned to appreciate its profound meaning. We ourselves are damaged and sometimes broken in the course of our lives. We do not hide our wounds, but accept them. And through applying clarity towards transformation, we rebuild our future. Kintsugi is motivated by just such a spirit.